Hello, welcome back. It's been a while since I uploaded another video. I'm just gonna do a trade recap on gold. I'm in Asian session. I've been trading Asian sessions since we are in Philippines. So I actually took 3 trades. First trade is a loss. Well, not actually. Wait, is it? It's like small loss, and then I immediately won a trade from over here. I think it's like a 1 to 2. I think it's like this. Yeah. 1 to 2. An Asian session because I'm in Philippines. I am trading in Asian session. Okay. So what's my critical thinking with this is, first of all, as we can see in the daily, our daily profile is telling us we have a big supply demand right here that can potentially give us a push up towards the upside and giving us a daily candle. Oh my god, this shit crashed. Okay, my bad. My setup is per made in China some shit, but it works. But anyways, as we can see, we have a bearish candle coming on to the day. Yesterday we have a bearish candle, and we have a good rejection towards this supply, or no, demand, right? And as we can see, this violet line, this purple line, indicates us going to the upside, and since by the time 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. 10 a.m. over here and 10 p.m. over there. So basically, in Canada, it's 10 p.m. It's nighttime, but over here, by the time 10 p.m. here in Philippines, it hits. We pretty much was trading away from the daily profile. So it gives me a clear view that we are trading a reversal by 10, as we can see. But since it was 9:30, it was pretty much, it has a little bit more volume since it's already the last 4-hour candle is coming into a close, so it's gonna give that push. I know it's gonna give that little bit more push so that it liquidates towards the draw. So pretty much the draw of liquidity was this supply right here. If you drop down to 5 minutes, you can see a good liquidity sweep. You have a buy side liquidity from here, right? That gives me an indication that, look, it's gonna draw to that. So my first trade was, well, my first trade was a loss because of this. But one key thing about the market, it always changes. But good thing is I managed my risk. So with me managing my risk, I only lost like $100 over here, and then over here I risked about $150, so that it's giving me a little bit more room for profits, right? So I'm risking less and giving myself a little bit of room for me to take time with this funded account. Okay, so $100 a trade keeps blowing the count away. But yeah, is this recording? Right, is it fucking? It is recording. My bad. my camera is shit, bro. But yo, like, okay. So once I got stopped out, I immediately said to myself, look, by 9:30 open, I already know I got stopped out. We have ourselves a breakout over here. My bad, it's so hard to see. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything. Alright, over here. So I traded over here. This is my first trade. So my entry model is pretty much a breakout over here on 5 minutes. 5 minutes support and resistance. So we got ourselves support resistance over here at the level 2613 and level 2611.5, right? So my first trade was a short position going down to a 1 to 2, but clearly it stops us out, which then gives me a good indicating bias that we are already bullish since we got stopped out. This is not over trading because I gave myself 2 trades a day, or even just keep myself one trade a day. But 3 is like my max. But keeping it in that, keeping myself in keeping myself disciplined and not over trading until 4. Ma, why'd you close the door? I mean, why'd you close the light? I need the light. I'm recording. I'm posting this on YouTube, man.
Switch on the light there, Anna.
Huh?
Switch on the light.
My bad, guys. My mom's Filipino. I'll show you guys soon the where I'm at. But once again, okay. So after that trade, I began looking for longs since we just opened at 9:30, and yeah, I mean, like, it gave me a little consolidation right here, and by the time 9:40 came in, it just pushed. So that just gives me a good give me conviction that it's gonna go up. So I traded because of this break from this resistance. Make this darker. I want to make this darker. How do you make this dark? How do I make this darker, man? Can you make it like a border or something? Style. There's no border, man. Middle line. What the fuck? Well, there's no border, guys. Okay, anyways. Whatever, so 5 minutes break. Give myself a good room. Stop loss is about like 2.4 ticks. 2.4 ticks. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. 2.4 ticks. Give me a little bit more room so that it's currently rejecting. And plus, I saw this fair value gap getting ran through. Actually, no, not ran through, rejected off this fair value gap. So it's giving me a little bit more confidence to trade. So I went for a long and officially just tried to aim for this high. And yeah, like, that's what it was. It's a straightforward trade, you know what I mean? Then by the time 10 p.m. hits, as you can see, I look for a short, but it immediately stopped me out on break even because I was about to. I need to go outside, go to the city side of San Fernando La Union because I'm in a farmland. So we need to do something. I had to go outside, and I just left it on break even so that if in case it goes back, which it did, I could stay on break even. All right. So how I found this trade on for short, it was like this. So basically, I was already looking at this level on 1 hour or 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, I saw this supply right here. As you can see, like this level, 2,619 or 620. This level. As we can see, from this level, we have a big drop. And the tendencies are, I want to see this reaction from this candle for it to be bearish, and it became bearish. And by that time, just a short time, it was like 2 minutes, I already know that, look, we already tapped this zone. I'm ready to take the trade. And once the 30-minute candle flip, that's when I start opening and creating a limit order, and immediately I start trading for a short position. And it was so close to my TP. It was literally like this. This is what it looks like. It was like a 126 already, 124. See, this is 124. Went down, just a couple more pips. It could have just went, you know what I mean, by broke even. But eventually, he actually hit the TP, and that's why I expected. And my last TP was here, right here, on this daily. Because I always know, like, if we're trading far away from the daily, it always comes back to the daily, right? Always comes back to the liquidity of the daily, which it came in all the way just nearby to this fair value gap towards the daily, and immediately went up, right? So that's pretty much the trade. This is break even right here. I don't even consider it as a trade, but give yourself a round of applause because we won. Because not because we won and we made profits, because we followed our plan. We only traded and we actually broke even and followed our rules over here on our third trade. So we lost one. We lost 1R today, and gained 2R, and break even on the third trade. But I gave myself a chance because it was a high confluence trade. But I only risked $100 in this trade because I know I was gonna get interfered by me going to the city of San Fernando La Union. Alright, so I don't know if you understand what I just said, but pretty much that strategy, you can literally press any button or have any strategy that you want, as long as you're consistent with that strategy. But if you don't have risk management, if you don't know how to think long term in this game, well then you won't last long. All right, so if you want to be a trader, well then you don't even care. You should not care about the strategy. You should not even care about the money. You should only be caring about the process of you making money, not the idea of having money. You should have the process rather than the idea, because that's what's gonna last longer, and you should have the passion of trading rather than you being fucking greedy and saying to yourself you're gonna be rich tomorrow. So you're not gonna be rich tomorrow, nor the next day. You have to learn this skill and love this skill. At the end of the day, we're traders. We're trying to be the best traders we can. So how to be the best trader? Well, then you just have a strategy, have a good risk management plan, follow that day in, day out. Be a good person. Make sure you say I love you to your mom or dad. You already know what you're supposed to do. Be a good man. That's it. So that's pretty much I could help you guys with. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I only have one. I think I only have one subscriber left before I become 500 subscribers and eligible to be monetized. This fucking this fucking camera is shit. I'm not at home right now, and I think I'm high in life because of nature right here, bro. Like, nature is crazy here, bro. So I'm gonna make another video, a trade recap tomorrow, and maybe show you guys how good looking Philippines are. I mean, Philippines is. So I inform you guys, I'm not in Canada right now. I'm in Philippines. So if you guys trying to my Filipinos over there, well then, see, so loud out here, bro. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Grr.